Ang gagawin, hindi mo ito yan na.
Sabog na naman, na naman, na naman.
Papunta kami ngayon ng dispensary shop ng tropa. Nakaraan pa ako in-invite nun pagkadating ko pala ng 1 week na tsaka ako mag-gamit.
Gamit ang ano, daddy?
Gamit ang aking, ano ba to?
Ano ba yan? Cubic?
Cubics. Bihira sa Pilipinas to. Sino mag-helmet?
These hoes out here about the bucks. These hoes out here will bring the bus. I have no beer, will bring the button. And my beers.
Sup.
Ang bigat ng fake nyo, babangan na nga kayo. Lagi na mo, take over na ng sobrang.
Okay, nagsimulan. So, hassle, di ba?
Mga babae ko.
Jonathan.
Hinday.
Have a little party at my crib, and all the weed is low, that's how it is. When you fucking with some OG niggas blowing OG smoke, don't even gotta ask you.
700 lang meron nito. Bibigay ko sa isa. Ito, hari ko. Yung king naman yan. 100 baht to. Pero wala kang mabibili nito. Kahit may pera ka, wala kang pambili nito. Diba?
Grabe ko talaga.
Out of 8 million, 700 lang may ganyan. Isa ka dyan.
Made her hard cold as Minnesota. Hard to tell, I can't figure out her motive. It's the small things, don't take much to win her over. Stack out summer cause her birthday in October. Got a nigga but get out of her body cause who I am. She fuck me with her eyes and bite her lips saying Zam. What really made me like her, she ain't do too much like Pam. One night she cooked for me, next day I'm blocked on Instagram. Damn. Let me find out that she did me like I do these hoes. Or committed to old boy, tryna play her role. Some months go past, I ain't talked to her, I ain't seen her. Asked her how she been, she like I'm outside and I'm singing. So you know I spent the block, shot my shot like we do ops. When it's off, she get it rocked. Wake up, fuck, then go shop. And I don't care about who had it before me, it's my goal. They dropping salt like she a hoe, so she my hoe. If I violate first, no doubt she gon' violate worse. If it don't work out, I guess it just ain't our time. I'ma probably show you I'm solid first, and if the energy ain't right, I'ma show you how.
Check out the French store. Chip police. What does it mean that?
Yeah.
Ano pang gagawin? Hindi mo ito yan na.
A little something for the non-believers. The underachievers. Y'all know what time it is. Big Snoop Dogg, it's just my time. I want y'all to sing this shit with me. Go like this, check it out. Snoop Dogg, Double G. So viciously, yeah. When the thump in the trunk go bump, bump, bump. Snoop Dogg, Double G. That's me. The way you rip so bluffily. It sounds so viciously. Yeah. When the thump in the trunk go bump, bump, bump. Everybody put your hands to the motherfucking ceiling. Baby girl, gonna pull your weed back. D.O.G. oh yeah, he back. And I'm stepping out the hall.
Isa mo na, bababa na yung mayores sa atin dyan. Takal ka.
Dito sa may taas oh. Sa may Green Elephant.
Susunduin ka ni Mama M.
Sa may store yung Mama M.
Hey, matao ba dyan? Sarado mo yung pinto.
Lobat lang yan.
Sana safe na naman. Ayos presko. Sa buong na naman. Di pa pala oras na kaya lang. Sabog na naman. Sabog na naman.